In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a notebook in OneNote. If your list of notebooks is getting busy or you've changed the purpose of a notebook, giving it a clearer name makes everything easier to find. This process is quick, and we'll keep it simple while also pointing out a few helpful details so you know exactly what's changing and what isn't. First, open the OneNote app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application where you can see your notebooks in the navigation pane. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can view the full list of notebooks. Take a moment to identify the notebook you want to rename, especially if you have several with similar titles. Renaming the right one now saves confusion later. Next, right-click the notebook name in that list. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click, and if you don't have a right-click button, you can hold the control key while you click. You'll see a context menu appear directly related to that notebook. Be sure you right-click the top-level notebook, not a section or a page, so you get the correct options. From the menu, click Properties. This opens the Notebook Properties window. If you have multiple notebooks, double-check that the name at the top matches the notebook you intend to change. This small window is where you can adjust the way the notebook is identified inside OneNote without affecting its content. In the Properties window, look for the field labeled Display Name. Click into that field, delete the current text, and type the new name you want. The display name is what you see in your notebooks list and in the title bar when that notebook is active. It doesn't move your notebook, change its storage location, or alter any sharing settings. Choose a name that's short, descriptive, and easy to scan, like Project Planning 2026, instead of something vague. When you're happy with the new name, click OK to save the change. You should see the notebook update immediately in your list. If you're syncing to the cloud or sharing the notebook with others, give it a moment for the change to propagate. Collaborators will see the updated display name once their OneNote syncs. If it doesn't refresh right away, switching to another notebook and back usually makes the new name appear. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote, right-click the notebook, choose Properties, update to the display name, and click OK. A clear name goes a long way toward keeping your notes organized and easy to navigate.